This is your girl Evanity Star coming back to you with another video, and today I will be doing a Jamaican National Dish recipe, and this is Ackee and Saltfish right here. This is some fried dumplings, and this is some plantain. And I want to thank all my subscribers for supporting me, and for those who are watching for the first time, just give me that thumbs up and subscribe and share my videos. And for returning subscribers, I want to thank you, and for those who are subscribing for the first time, I want to thank you. Guys, I want to say a special prayer for this breakfast. I want to thank you, Heavenly Father, for providing this breakfast for me, and I hope it will nourish and cherish my body, and it will give me the energy to go on. Dear Father, give me the blessings and surround me with your love. I want to thank you for giving me this opportunity to present this food to my audience. Amen. Amen. So guys, I prepared this morning. I love my national dish. There you go. This is a dish that everybody have on their table in Jamaica. And it's beloved by everybody. My kids were born, two of them were born here, and you can't get them away from Ackee and Saltfish. They love it. My son was thanking me this morning. He said, thank you, thank you, thank you. He was thanking me this morning for preparing this breakfast. I love me some Ackee and Saltfish. Guys, I did a video showing you how I prepared this dish. So I'm gonna be posting the video not immediately after this. You may not see it now if you're now watching the video, but you will definitely see it tomorrow. I'll put the link in it. Guys, it's so difficult to find ackee because it's not grown here. It's grown in Jamaica or anywhere you have sunshine. I had to order these online. Ridiculous. Oh, no. Wow, this breakfast is delicious, but I'm accustomed to this type of food, so my reaction may not be overboard, but because I know this food, this is my dish and I've been eating it for so many years. So sorry. So it has been a long time coming because, you know, we have to really search to find it here in the United States. So anybody who like this video, just continue to like, share, and subscribe, and ring the notification bell so that you can be notified of more videos to come. If you like this dish, like I said, I have the I also did a video on how I prepared it, so you guys can check it out in the link as soon, not today, not immediately when you see this video posted, but the link will be posted in the video. Okay, all right, so guys, So guys, thanks again for watching. And if you like what you see, just continue to like, share, and subscribe, and ring the notification bell so that you can be notified of more videos to come. And like my grandmother used to say, if you can be good, be careful. What good, guys?